Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a healthy, quick, and simple way to make buffalo chicken. So buffalo sauce is half butter or margarine and half hot sauce. But you can if you want it less spicy, you can put more of the margarine or butter, more spicy, more of the hot sauce. So I'm gonna do about equal parts of a vegan butter, margarine, and hot sauce of your choice. Okay, let's make this a little quicker. And then you just want to heat this on a low setting. You don't want it to really boil or get really hot because then it'll separate. It'll taste the same, but you want it to be kind of smooth and creamy. So we're just going to start that heating. And then I wanted to show you another little variation that is same thing, hot sauce and the vegan margarine with a little bit of tamari or soy sauce and honey. So this is going to be a sweet and spicy with a little bit of a Asian flair. I'm going to add a little bit, maybe more of the hot sauce. Okay. And we're going to get this on the stove. Okay, and then for the chicken, you don't need any kind of flour or breading or anything. You can use any kind of herbs or spices that you want, but this makes it really healthy and gluten-free, and of course dairy-free because we're using the vegan margarine. So you can use any cut of chicken that you want, wings, thighs, legs, or even breast, but it's best to have the skin on because the skin makes a crispy, the skin gets crispy and then it doesn't dry out and you don't have to use any kind of breading or flour. So like I said, you can use any kind of seasonings that you want, but I'm making it really simple and this tastes really good. I just use Himalayan pink salt. A little bit of garlic powder. And black pepper. And then depending on your oven, if you have like a good oven, like a, I don't know what they're called, but like the type of oven that like crisps things, like a infrared or like a broiling type oven, that works really good because it makes the skin crispy. But you can do convection or conventional at probably like 400 to 425 depending on your oven for about, until it's done, depending on what cut you use, determines how quickly it cooks. But I think for thighs, I like thighs, so I'm thinking probably like maybe 45 minutes to an hour. The sauces are about done. have some that are already done. So they're very crispy, golden, beautiful. And so then all you do is you take, which again, let me wash my hands real quick or rinse them. Okay. You just take your chicken and dip it into the sauce and coat it thoroughly. It's so easy and so good and healthy. We're going to do a couple in the other sauce. You can serve it with rice or potatoes, roasted vegetables, salad, anything you want. Just let it sit in there for a minute to soak up some of the sauce. And then, so this is the buffalo, the plain, the basic. Oh, it looks so good. And it's ready, but you can put it back in the oven just to hold it on warm if you still need to make whatever else, or you just want it to kind of adhere, but it's ready like this. This looks so good. This is the Asian Flair Buffalo. Delicious. Simple, easy, and healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tap the bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload another video. Thank you. Bye.